Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you have watched all of previous videos of this series, and this is part 5. Okay, so our first word is aware. Aware, it is an adjective. If you are aware of something, you know about it. I was not aware of the ringing phone. Second word is barely. Barely, it is an adverb. Badly means is in a severe or harmful way. Severe and harmful way. He hurt his arm badly playing with friends. Third word is belong. Belong is a verb. If something belongs to you, you own it. The blue suit belongs to Paul. Next word is continue. Continue is verb. To continue something is to keep doing it. She stood under the umbrella as the rain continued to fall. The next word error. It is a noun. An error is something you do wrong. I made an error on my report, so my boss was angry. Experience. It is a noun. An experience is something you have seen or done. Rock climbing was a fun experience. Field, it is noun. A field is a big area of land. The field of flowers looked so pretty. Hurt, hurt is a verb. To hurt is to do something that makes you feel pain. She hurt her leg falling down the stairs. Okay, next word is judgment. Judgment is the ability to form opinions or decisions. It's good judgment to recycle your aluminum cans. Likely, it is adverb. It is an adverb. If something likely happens, it will probably happens. I will likely stay at home and watch TV tonight. Next word is normal. It is an adjective. If something is normal, it is not strange or surprising to you. It is normal for me to bathe every night. Rare. Rare is it is an adjective. If something is rare, you do not see it very often. It is rare for him to miss his flight. Relax. It is a verb. To relax is to rest. The frog relaxed in the warm sun. Request is a verb. The request something is to ask for it. The little girl requested a special gift from Santa Claus. Santa Claus. Reside. Reside is a verb. To reside means to live somewhere permanently or for a long time. My brother and his family reside in a lovely house on the beach. The next word is result. Result is a noun. A result is something that happens because of something else. As a result of all the rain, the man had to climb on the roof. Roll. Roll is a verb. To roll is to move by turning over and over. You must roll ball into the pins when you ball. Sense. Sense is used to talk about a past event still happening now. Since 1992, he has been driving that car. Visible. Visible, it is an adjective. If something is visible, it can be seen. The moon and stars were visible in the night sky. Wild. Wild, it is an adjective. Something is wild, it is found in nature. You should be careful around a fox because it is a wild animal. Okay, so guys, let's jump into the story. So today our story, the title of the story is The Jackal and the Sun Child. A jackal is a wild dog with a big black back. It resides in the desert. But how did the jackal get his black back? This was how it happened. One day, The jackal saw a girl. She was sitting upon a rock. She was not normal child. She was a rare and beautiful sun child. She was bright and warm like the sun. The child saw the jackal and smiled. She said, "Jackal, I have been relaxing on this rock for too long time. I must get home soon, but I am slow and you are fast. You will likely get me home more quickly." Then she requested, "Will you carry me home? If you do, I'll give you a gift. This necklace belongs to me, but I will give it to you." The wild jackal agreed. So the son child sat on the dog's back. They started to walk, but soon the jackal felt ill. The sun child was very hot on his back. The heat was hurting his back very badly. "I made a terrible error in judgment," he thought. He shouldn't have agreed to carry her. So he asked her to get off, but she did not. The jackal's back continued to get hotter and hotter. He had to get away from the sun child, so he made a plan. First, he ran as fast as he could. He hoped the sun child would fall off, but she did not. So, when the sun child was looking at the sky, not aware of the jackal's next plan, he jumped into a field of flower. As a result, the child rolled off his back. The jackal ran away, but the sun child left a mark on the jackal's back, a visible black mark. Ever since has experience with the sun child, the jackal has had a black back. Okay, so guys, it was a nice story. Okay, so guys, this series is gonna help you a lot to improve your vocabulary with their forms and how to use them and what their meanings are. So guys, it is gonna help you all over. Okay, it's mean everything is in it, all you need. So please be connected with this series until unless you become eligible to learn enough words. I will guys continue it. Okay, there are a lot of things, a lot of vocabulary and lot of videos will be uploaded every day. Okay, if you are new on this channel, so please subscribe and don't forget to active bell icon so that you could get everyday video notification in your inbox. Okay, so guys, I hope you got it. So please guys, subscribe my channel and support me. I need your support. If you support me, I will get encouraged by you. So I'll try my best to share useful tricks and tips with you, which is gonna help you a lot to improve your spoken English. So because my purpose to make you speak in English, that's why I am making these videos. Okay, so guys, I have asked you many times that do you want me to do like a reading comprehension or exercises? So please guys, let me know. So I don't know, I haven't got any comment of yours in any video of mine. So if you want me to do it, I'll do for you. Okay, so guys, this was a short video. I hope you liked it. So please guys, subscribe my channel, and you need this PDF link, and if you wanna download it, so please let me know. I'll give you the link of this PDF. Okay, which is 6 pages, which is consist on 6 pages. Okay, you can find out it. You just let me know and do comments guys, and please do comments and let me know how was today's section, how was today's video. Okay, please guys, do comments and subscribe and let know your friend as well. Okay, so bye guys, bye till then. Bye till then, take care, be happy, keep smiling and never give up. Hang in there. Okay guys.